Hi guys, Derek Hunsberger here with D's Doings, and today we're working on my '07 Chevy Duramax. It's got the LBZ engine in it, and what I'm doing today is I'm actually cleaning my injectors. So what I'm doing here, as you can see, I've got a little ultrasonic cleaner here, and I put some Simple Green in it, and I just now stuck the injectors in it. You can see we got some Simple Green there, filled it up, put my injectors in it. So what we're going to do is just clean these babies all up here. So I've got set for heat on here, and we got it at 480 seconds is what it's going to run at here. So we're going to go ahead, start her up, let her clean up, and we'll show you guys the end product of the cleaning of them. Hey guys, it's me again here. So what we got going on is it's almost done. If you listen real carefully, just missed it here. It's I had the machine running. So what we did is I stuck them in the cleaner. You can see. Now I had it on the heat setting also, so it was heating and cleaning all at the same time. And I actually might run them again just to make sure they're super clean here. But you can see, so this is kind of what it looks like now. All right, after I ran it through the cleaner, and this is what, I just pulled one out of the engine. This is what it looked like before. So you can see there's a huge difference between them in cleaning it. You can kind of see a difference there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably just gonna run them through the cleaner one more time, just to make sure that they're extra clean. And I'll pull them out, dry them, wipe them off, put my new O-rings on it, lube them up, slap them back in the engine.